In this video, we'll do a quick review of Mailgun. Now, Mailgun is another email marketing system that is very popular, but the unique thing about Mailgun is it's not really geared towards email marketing. Now, it doesn't stop you from email marketing, and you can use it with software like Mailgun or Mailgun to send your marketing emails very successfully, because it does support SMTP and it has email API too, and they are integrated in Mailgun and Mailgun. But it's not geared by itself to be an independent email marketing platform like Aweber or SendGrid or any of those. It's more like a transactional email marketing system that is to be integrated mostly in your own software or SaaS. So what you can do with Mailgun is you can integrate the API or you can integrate the SMTP in your own SaaS, in your own marketing system, and then you can send out emails on a daily basis based on whatever way you want. Now, Mailgun also has some advanced email marketing features because they are slowly changing themselves to become more relevant for email marketers, and they have got lists now, so you can actually create lists. So if you go into sending, you will see that they've got a number of different features, domains, logs, and they've got validations. You can even validate your emails, and they've got inbox placement, so you can see how your mails are hitting the inbox, and you can even create a list to test your email marketing, to test your emails. So all of those features are now coming to Mailgun, and it's evolving more and more towards being a full-fledged email marketing platform. But right now, to use Mailgun, you need to use a third-party email sending system. Now, there are a lot of email sending systems out there in the market. We have Mailgun, you have Mailgun, there's also Sendy, there's also Interspire. So you've got a lot of different automation systems to automate your email marketing, and you can integrate Mailgun like a regular SMTP in any of those to make things easy for you, to make it easy for you to send emails using Mailgun. Now, one thing I want to tell you, Mailgun has pretty good inboxing. Now, it's not so expensive either, so it's pretty the price is very aggressive because it's more of an SMTP. They charge you for the volume that you send, and you can pick an account according to the volume, and the pricing is pretty strong as far as SMTPs go. The inboxing is pretty good because Mailgun actually maintains the quality pretty strong in terms of the customers that they pick. So if somebody is spamming, Mailgun is going to ban them very quickly, and that helps you because it keeps the platform clean. It prevents the IPs from getting barred, and you will be able to do better on Mailgun with your email marketing if you're sending out legit emails. If you're sending out emails that people are expecting, people don't complain about, then it's going to work for you really well. Again, you need a third-party product to make it possible for you to send those emails, and you can use something like Mailgun, which is a WordPress based email autoresponder software, or you could use Mailgun, which is a desktop based email autoresponder software, but you will need something that's third party.